Why do you seem so scared? All I wanted to do was play with you. Please come and play with me. I am so lonely. You're not afraid of the dark, are you?
Guys, we're back with another video. Yes, this time I felt like doing something freaky. I always do something freaky, but like I wanted to kind of go to the extreme this time a little bit, bloody mess. I haven't did that in a while, so I was like, well, you know what, let's have fun. And then plus my niece and my nephew and my daughter, they love this type of stuff, so I did it for them, honestly. Okay, what I'm using in this video that's covering my eyebrows, I've took 6 layers of tissue and I've melted that down with latex, and then I'm going to put latex all over my face with a sponge to give that dusty look, like give my skin that creepy look. Okay, for the foundation in this video, I use MAC, and the MAC is way too light for me, and I used the white cream based makeup, and I mixed those two together, and it gave me my perfect color. For this video, I did not want to go all the way white or pale because I am brown skin, and I want to kind of incorporate that with my actual color, so I kind of went for like a rusty look on this part. As far as my eyes, I wanted to define them, and I wanted to give the perception of the middle of my forehead kind of appearing larger than what it's supposed to be, simply because the meat that I'm going to make push up out of the upside down cross, I wanted that to kind of be stuck in the middle, like it looked like it hurt, you know what I'm saying? So when I did this part, I kind of went into definition on base like how I wanted it to look.
Come to me, the man in the dark said, or else you won't see the sunset. I don't see this as a threat, so he screamed at me until I bled. I don't want to play alone, but when I cry I hear a groan. I see a figure behind the wall. I'm so afraid it's going to fall. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
For the rest of the video, basically what I'm going to be doing is going into more detail, putting more color, adding in depth, adding my bruises, putting my the upside down cross stuck inside of my forehead, pulling the meat out my jaw, etc., putting some nails in. So basically what I'm going to be doing for the rest of this video is going into details, adding the color, adding the blood, and etc. This video, I wanted to do that, like, represented something that I would do, like I said, if I had my own movie. It's not a perception of anybody else's movie, but my creation. Anyways, basically this is the last video that I'm doing for Halloween. So it was fun this year. I kind of did some things that I never thought I would do, but which was a test for myself. So with that being said, this is my last and final Halloween makeup tutorial. Hope you guys like it. This has been fun, like I said, this year, and I guess until next year, y'all have a good one.
Don't be afraid. Come with me. I will show you where I play hide and seek. Do you want to play hide and seek? You hide, and I'll find you. You're going to die in there. Don't say I didn't warn you. I know things no one knows. You're going to die. Help me. I'm begging you. Can you help me?